Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of demonstrative adjectives. Before knowing the definition of demonstrative adjectives, you have to know what is adjective. In our earlier class, we discussed about adjective. Again, I am saying in short, a word when modifies a noun or pronoun for its quality, it is called adjective. Demonstrative adjective is one kind of adjective. Now we learn about demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective points out a noun or pronoun and always comes before the word being modified. Like adjective, demonstrative adjective also modifies noun and pronoun, but the difference is it sits before noun and pronoun. You can remember that these, that, these and those are demonstrative adjectives. If you remember these words, you can easily identify demonstrative adjectives. For example, that watermelon over there is huge. This papaya over here looks ripe. Look students, you find there. So when we mention something or someone far, you have to use that. And when we find someone or something close to us, that means here, you have to use this. For using this, that, this, those, you have to know some rules. Here are some rules. Now we will learn about the rules. First one, we use these and these to point at people and things that are near us. I said in the example that when we mention someone or something near or close to us, we have to use this and this. This is the plural form of this. This is singular and this is plural. So when we find someone or something in singular and close to us, we use this. And if it is plural and near to us, we will use this. Next one, we use that and those to point at people and things that are far. Like before, when we find someone or something far from us, we'll use that and those. Now question is, when we'll use that and those? When the thing or person is singular, we'll use that. And if it is plural, we'll use those. Last one, we use this and that with singular nouns. We use this and those, that plural nouns. I have said in earlier rules that this and that are singular and this and those are plural. So I hope that these rules are clear to you. Now students will do some exercise for your better understanding. Complete these sentences with words from the box. Students, look. Here in the box, this, that, this, those. These are the words. You have to put these words in these gaps. Now, number 1. Is dash your umbrella by the door? Asking question. No, it's not. But dash black one here is mine. Look, we find the word here. Here means close to us. we say that when we'll say something or someone about near to us, we have to use this or this. So here it's about your umbrella. Is it singular or plural? It's singular. So you have to use this. But this black one here is mine. Second one will be this. So come to first one. Is dash your umbrella by the door? By the door. It means not near to you. It means far from you. So as it is far from you and it is singular, you have to use that. Then the sentence will be, is that your umbrella by the door? No, it's not. But this black one here is mine. Number 2, do you always buy your uniform from dash shop here or dash shop across the street? We find here in the first gap. So we are saying about buying your uniform. So this is singular. So you have to write this here. Do you always buy your uniform from this shop here? T-H-I-S. This shop here. Or that shop across the street. The street, it means far from you. So you have to use that. Number 3, John wants to play football with dash children over there. Here we find there. And children. Children is plural. And we are talking about John. John wants to play football with dash children. As we know, there means far from us or you, and it is plural, so you have to use this or that or those. Can you guess what will be in the gap? John wants to play football with those children over there. So T-H-O-S-E, those children over there. Now number 4, dash books are not mine. Dash by the window are mine. So by the window, we find by the window, it means far from you. So you have to use singular or plural. It is talking about books. Books are plural. So you have to use those. Those by the window are mine. T-H-O-S-E, those. Now come to first gap, dash books are not mine. As we are talking about plural thing, so you have to use this. T-H-E-S-E, this. So these books are not mine. Those by the window are mine. Now number 5, dash is Rajiv's bag, not yours. Yours is on the dash chair over there. So we are talking about Rajiv's bag. It's singular thing. Here we find the verb in singular form. So dash is Rajiv's bag, not yours. Here you have to write this, T-H-I-S. This is Rajiv's bag, not yours. Yours is under dash chair over there. There, it means far from you, so yours is under that chair. Now come to number 6 and last one. Will you pass me dash glass of orange juice over there? I'm very thirsty. So here we find the word there. It means far from you, and we are talking about glass of orange juice. So it's singular. So you have to use singular this or that. You find there, so you have to use that. Will you pass me that glass of orange juice over there? So here will be that. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.